Hello Casio fans from all over the world. What am I doing? Am I reviewing a lady's watch? Seems so. Let's see how it goes. To be honest, I have chosen to present this piece because of a cool timer feature, which I will show it later on. So, we have here a lady's watch, and it's the LA670W. I have never seen such a smaller Casio beside this one. Well, normally all the Casio models that have the L in the model name are dedicated for women, and it might stand for ladies. For example, we have the MTP models, that stands for Man Timepiece. The LTP models should stand for Ladies Timepiece. In this particular case, we have the LA, which would come from ladies. Ladies accessory? I don't know. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Since this watch does not work, we can assume that the battery is drained. Let's open the watch and see how we can exchange the battery. If we turn around the watch, we can see that the back case is closed as the AQ models, with these two clips on each side. We only need to insert this spring bar removal tool in between the clips from one side and tilt it a little. The back should pop out. It's a pretty condensed module. It's marked with a module number 3191. The gasket is also available. To remove the battery, we need to pop off this clip. In my case, it seems that it was already unclipped. We have here a CR1216 battery. In order not to scratch the module, I recommend first to take it out from the case. Then pop out the plate that secures the battery. A needle would be perfect. Now let's install the new battery. It does not work. Let's reset it. We do this with the help of a needle. Just make sure that you touch both the PCB and the plate from the top of the module. Yes, it works. To be honest, I was a little afraid because the owner of this watch told me that it had been sitting in the bathroom for the last 5 or 6 years. We see here a case which has 26 mm in diameter, pushers included, and a lug-to-lug of 29 mm. Its thickness is only 7 mm. Very small watch. The material for the case is plastic, and it's a golden watch. The drawings and the writings are black. On top of the display, beside the logo, we see the identification of each pusher. On bottom side, we see the water resistance information, and on the top of the display, we see those digits related to timer, the preset values. The pushers works very well, although it looks like a frog. Despite its small dimensions, the digits are very visible, even the seconds, which uses a smaller font. The module number is 3191 and it seems to be a clever watch. In the timekeeping mode, we have only the hours, minutes and seconds. Pressing start stop, we trigger the date. Pressing timer, we trigger the timer. This is very cool, as we have the possibility to trigger it directly from the timekeeping mode. As we see on the top of the display, we have presented timers. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 30 minutes. The blinking marker from the display will show that the timer is running and also in which time frame is until reaches 0. And if you started the timer by mistake, you need to keep on pushing the timer until all markers have disappeared. Pressing mode one time will enter in the alarm menu. We can set up the alarm. Just one alarm. Pressing timer, we enter in the setup mode, and with start stop we select the needed value. To save, we need to press again timer. In this mode, we can also enable or disable the alarms for sure, and the chimes with the start-stop pusher. Pressing mode twice, we enter in the stopwatch menu. Start-stop will make the stopwatch run, and pressing again will stop it. Timer pusher will reset it to 0. Pressing mode 3 times, we enter in the time and date setup. The procedure is the same as for the alarm setup. I will now leave the Casio user guide for this specific module. Interesting is that it stated the longevity of this battery, only 2 years. Small watch, small lifespan. The bracelet is simple and elegant. It's easy to adjust, and since this watch will be worn only by women, we do not need to worry about pinching the hair. On the clamp we have the Casio logo, engraved very professionally, and on the back of the fixation clamp we have the information that it's made of stainless steel. To save some production costs, Casio decided not to paint the back of the bracelet, leaving it in grey. The back case is made of stainless steel. It highlights that it is water-resistant watch and it's made in China. In regards water resistance, since there isn't mentioning any value, means that it can withstand water splashes. But being a Casio, I wouldn't worry swimming with it. The module and model name together with the logo are engraved as well. And yes, let's not forget that the bracelet has also a part number or reference, which is engraved on the spring bar area. This is very important because if we buy Casio from a second-hand market and we do not see the engraving on the bracelet, this would mean that the bracelet is not an original Casio. To conclude, I can tell that I will search for watches that have this timer feature directly from the timekeeping mode. For me, personally, it's great. Too bad I cannot wear this timepiece. Since my channel is around 97% followed by males, I am very curious to see its progress. I would also like to mention that I am very curious if the owner of this watch will see this review. Waiting for her feedback. Wish you the best, and thanks to all the ladies for watching. Men also.